Welcome to Quiz Swirl. Twist your mind with fun and learning. In this video, test your brain with fun questions about famous inventions, discoveries, and mind-blowing theories. Let's see how many you get right. A quick difference between these three. An invention is something new that a person creates. A discovery is something that already existed, but someone found it. A theory is an idea that explains how or why something happens. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Ready? Let's begin! Who invented the first practical mobile phone? Martin Cooper. Who is credited with inventing the electric light bulb? Thomas Edison. Who is credited with inventing the first mechanical watch? Peter Henline. Who invented the telescope? Hans Lippershey. Who invented the first telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented the magnifying glass? Roger Bacon. Who invented the first practical electric battery? Alessandro Volta. Who is credited with discovering oxygen? Joseph Priestley. What did Isaac Newton discover? Law of gravity. Who is credited with inventing the radio? Guglielmo Marconi. Who is credited with discovering penicillin, the first antibiotic medicine? Alexander Fleming. Who invented Lego bricks? Ole Kirk Christensen. Who is credited with developing the first vaccination? Edward Jenner. Who built the first successful steam engine to pull a train? Richard Trevithick. Who is credited with inventing the typewriter? Christopher Latham Scholes. Who invented the World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. What theory did Charles Darwin propose? Natural selection. Who first demonstrated that germs can cause disease? Louis Pasteur. Who invented the first printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Who invented the stethoscope? René Lennox. Who invented the first airplane? Wright brothers. Who invented the first air conditioner? Willis Carrier. Who is credited with inventing the microscope? Zacharias Janssen. Who discovered the structure of DNA? Watson and Crick. Who is credited with inventing the computer? Charles Babbage. Who invented the barometer? Evangelista Torricelli. Who proposed the heliocentric model of the solar system? Nicolaus Copernicus. Who invented the electric telegraph and developed Morse code? Samuel Morse. Who created the periodic table? Dmitri Mendeleev. Who is called the father of electricity? Michael Faraday. Who invented the steamboat? Robert Fulton. Who discovered radium? Marie Curie. Who is credited with inventing the first camera to take a permanent photo? Joseph N. Niepce. What invention is Carl Benz famous for? Automobile. Who invented the first real electronic television? Philo Farnsworth. Who developed the polio vaccine? Jonas Salk. Who discovered X-rays? Wilhelm Röntgen. Who invented the first modern thermometer with a temperature scale? Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Who is known as the father of genetics for discovering the laws of inheritance? Gregor Mendel. Who proposed the continental drift theory? Alfred Wegener. Who invented the computer mouse? Douglas Engelbart. Who invented the electric fan? Schuyler Wheeler. Who developed the method of pasteurization to make food safer? Louis Pasteur. Who discovered the electron, a tiny part of an atom? J.J. Thomson. Who discovered insulin to treat diabetes? Frederick Banting and Best. Who proposed the Big Bang Theory? Georges Lemaître. Who is known for discovering the 3 laws of motion? Isaac Newton. Who discovered that moving magnets can create electricity? Michael Faraday. Who proposed the law of conservation of mass? Antoine Lavoisier. Had fun discovering amazing inventions? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more brain-boosting quizzes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on Swirl.